What's up, Raw Spartan Tribe? This is Raw Spartan 125 back for yet another great reaction. This is Rally 14, the best scenes of rallying pure sound. Okay. No idea what this is about. I don't know if it's a rally one or a sound one or what. But this is a requested video. And if you'd like me to react to any other video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll get to it as soon as I can. I will leave links in the description down below for this video and this channel. And check out my links while you're there as well, yeah? Okay. Let's jump in. Well, that seems like a very dangerous job. Oh no, wait. Is that people that like fans trying to run out to grab pieces of the car to keep as souvenirs or something? That's crazy! Another car could fly over that rise? Oh. Yeah, they must be worth something. Or, yeah, they must be. Or maybe they're just, like I say, they're just fans. So they're worth maybe a lot to the fans. Or maybe they're going to sell them on eBay or something. I don't know. This is a lot of danger to go through. That's crazy. Whoa. That was close. See how close that was?
El puente es en 5 y lomo con derecha 5 menos frenando para 100 izquierda 4.
I'm not a rally person, so I don't much about rally. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, that's nuts.
¡Vamos, carajo! Está cagado, man.
Oh, that's like an old one. Maybe the 90s or older. Oh, I hope they're okay. Oh, whoa. That looks like an old one too. These are like European. Yeah, I think these are European ones, maybe like British European. Because I don't think America has rally like this. I think their stuff is different. Like stock cars and stuff. No, this is like European or British rally, I think. You know what I mean? Americans tend to do things differently. They do their own thing. I like it. I respect it. But this is the type of rally that I've sort of seen. Although I'm not into rally, you know what I mean? This is sort of the stuff I've, sort of seen on TV and stuff. Oh. You're still on it? Oh. Makes me wonder what Americans think when they watch this. Or do they have rally like this? I don't know. Oh, that person was so lucky. That's the only thing about this rally stuff. The audience is very close to the action. You know? Like literally right next to the road. Oh my god. Oh, I hope they're okay. Hope whoever that was is okay. That's crazy. Oh, I bet they need to change the shorts. The audience and the people in the car. I bet, yeah. They definitely need to change something after that. God. Could you imagine it, just standing there watching it and then the car comes straight at you? I don't know if I'd be able to get out of the way in time. I'm a big guy, you know? It might take me a few seconds just to react. Oh god. I couldn't, nah. See, this is why I don't go to things like this. Nah, I'd be one of the people getting run over. Oh, you see how close that was? If that wall hadn't been there. Oh. Was that a Mazda? Looks like a Mazda. I could be. Oh, I had that other car crash. Vienna? That's it. Oh, yeah, buddy. That looks British, like a British tourism. The houses look kind of British. It's just the way it looks. Like, look how fast that is. You have like split seconds to react. Wow. Oh. Just drifting around that corner like it's nothing. Tell you what, man, see the amount of skill you would need to have just to go around that corner like that? Whoa. Whoa. Yeehaw. Yeah, somebody's excited. And away they go. So, do they take off from different points? Is that what this is? I thought they'd all leave at the same time. But apparently not. Like, look how fast you're going. Look how much time you have to react. Oh my god. Now I do know that they do a practice run or a couple of practice runs before the actual event in order to get a feel for the road, you know? Oh!
Halo, halo, proszę mnie teraz nie wchodzić!
Uwaga, auto! Oh!
Jezu, dziewczyno!
Oh, she was so lucky! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I made it back on, okay. Oh, you lucky son of a... Oh, look at you. Go on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah. And that's how you drift. Right there. I play a lot of Forza Horizon 4. I used to. I don't play as much, but apparently it's on Steam now, so I'm gonna have to go back onto it. The fire coming out of the wheel. This kind of reminds me of Forza a little bit. Horizon 4, I mean. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did that guy almost get hit? Or did he get hit? I don't think he got hit. Whoa, he did! It hit him! I think he just clipped him. You know, clipped his leg or something? Yeah. Oh, he's so lucky. See the height they got? Did you see the height? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to put that back. I have to. Will you see this? Will you see this? Wait for it. Here it comes. Woo! Oh. Whoa. What the hell? Oh, it's like a film thing? Filming it? Oh, it's a bit low though, isn't it? I wonder if there's trees or something. Shit. Oh, there are no trees. Ooh. Land of a pond or something?
On board this time.
Subito a sinistra, piena. Per attenzione destra 4, non tagliare, chiude 3 più. Subito a sinistra 3 più. No, no.
Uh-oh. Yep, lots of swearing.
L'acqua.
Was that him? They're not the ones that inside the car? Oh, they're getting out. Yeah, they're bugging out. But yep. Oh, the car's going under. Oh, that's insane, man. Alright, that is the end of the video. I enjoyed that one. I enjoyed it. If you want more of these, put them in the comment section, let me know, and I'll get to them, I will. Wow. I enjoyed that. I'm not a rally person, but I do play a lot of, used to play a lot of Forza Horizon 4. That kind of reminds me of that, you know? So yeah. I enjoyed it. It was great. Very exciting. Kind of like moments in it, you know what I mean? But yeah. Until next time, I am out of here.